Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs team started bolstering their squad and will unveil the latest high-profile signing soon. The January transfer window opens in less than a week and Amakhosi are expected to confirm the capture of AmaZulu midfielder Siyathemba Sithebe. Reports suggested that Sithebe has signed a 3-year deal with the Soweto Giants. The Chiefs is currently in the 4th place in the DStv Premiership log and is 16 points behind log leaders Sundowns. Are you really happy with this new player joining Amakhosi? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Financial loves you. Bye good people.